Ready to unlock the secrets of creating captivating UI UX designs for your website, app, or any other design project? Well, you have come to the right place. An incredible online tool called Figma that will make your design process super easy. The best part of, you don't need any prior design experience. You can design anything you want, from stunning websites, app interfaces. Figma offers seamlessly collaboration, allowing multiple people to work on your design at the same time. You can also get feedback from them. It even has a mobile. You can preview designs on your phone. So you can preview designs on your phone. Oh, did I mention the best part? Figma is completely free to use. It's a designer's dream come true. Throughout this video, we are gonna break down the entire process step by step, so you don't miss out a single detail. And let's get started. First, we will create an account on Figma. So just click the link in this video and click get started, and you will get this page. Now you can sign up with Google. You can enter your details here. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So let's click continue and select your Google account. Fill up these details and click next. Now if you want, you can also invite your collaborators, or you can click here. Then you can answer these questions one by one, or you can just skip them. I'm gonna skip them. Then click start for free. Now click here and it will take you to the Figma dashboard. Okay, so now we have successfully created an account on Figma. To begin our design journey, first we will see how to create a UI design for our website. To do that, let's click on the design file. Then it will take you to this editing area where you can create designs using these tools. Okay, to start creating a website design, we need to select a frame. So just click here and you will get different frames to choose from. Since we are creating a design for our website, let's click the top. Now here you can choose that. I'm going to choose this, and as you can see, we have got the frame. Now let's create sections for our website design. So let's click here, then create a section like this. Now to change its color, click here and select the color you like. Next, we need to add some text. So just click here, then click on the design, and then you can start typing the content you want. From here, you can select a font and also change the size of the text. In the same way, you can add any text you want. Now let's add an image to. Just drag the image you want from your computer, drop it on the canvas, and you can resize the image and place it where you want. And it's done. In the same way, you can create sections and add content to create your website design. Now you know how you can create a UI design for your website. Next, let's see how we can create a UI design for an app. So let's click here and choose phone. I'm gonna select iPhone 13 mini. And once you have the frame in the same way we design a website, you can use these tools to design your app now. Instead of creating a UI design from scratch, if you want, you can use templates to make the process more simple. Now to do that, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to choose a template for your design. So to choose a template, go back to files, then click explore community. So here search for a UI design template. So let's say you want create a design for your travel app. So just search for travel app and you will get different templates to choose from. Now just select that one you like here. You can see the preview of the design. Now if you want to use this design, just click on get a copy, and you can see we have got the design here. Okay, once you have got the UI design template here, you can start editing the design. So let's go to the second step, which is to edit this UI design. The design, all you have to do is just double click on the element and edit it. Let's say you want to change the background image, so just double click on it to select it. Then to the right side you will get these options to change your background. image. Now to change the image, just click here and you will get the pop-up to image and click choose. Now double click to select the image from your computer. And as you can see, the background image has changed. In the same way you can change the image you want in your design. Now let's close this. Then change this text also by double clicking on it. Then enter the text and it will be changed. Now you can also change the text size and the font from here. In the same way you can change any text you want. Okay, next let's change the color of these buttons. Select it, then click here and select the color you want. Since we have a dark background, let's choose a brighter color to give it more contrast and make it more visible. Now if you have particular colors for your brand, you can choose those colors for your design. In the same way, you can change the color of all these elements. Simply select them and change the color. Okay, so now you know how you can change the colors of your design. Next, let's see how you can add a brand logo to your design. So all you have to do is just drag and drop the logo from your computer and it will be added to your design. You can resize it and make it fit to your design. Okay, now you know how you can get a pre-made design for your travel app and then edit it to suit your needs. Next, let's see how you can create a UI design from scratch. So far we have created these two frames, a home screen and a 2. Now let's create another frame like this, which is called 2 details, so that when someone clicks on this image, they will get the details about the package. Interesting, right? To create a UI design from scratch, first we need to create a frame. So let's click here and click on frame, then select iPhone 13 mini, and as you can see, the frame has been added here. You can double clicking here. I'm going to enter 2 details. Okay, now let's see how to create a design like this. Here you can see it has an image content for the package and a button. So first let's add an image. Drag and drop an image from your computer, then you can easily resize it and place the image here. Now in this design you would have noticed that the image has, which looks pleasant to have a balanced look on your design. So to make the corners of my image more rounded, just click here and enter the radius at 65, and as you can see we have got the rounded at the corners. So let's click here, then we'll get 4 options which represent the 4 corners of the elements. Now to hide these 2 curves at the top, let's make these 2 numbers 0, and as you can see the top corner has been changed. Okay, in the same way you can make any elements to rounded corners. Add some content to our design like we did before. We can use this text option and then add the content here. Okay, so now we have added the image and the content to our design. Finally, to add a button, just copy this button, then click on the design where you want to add it and then paste it. As you can see, we only got the button. You can easily add the text to the button by using the text option. Navigation icon to your design like this. Adding a navigation icon to your frame allow to go to the previous frame or the next frame. To add a navigation icon, we will have to install an icon plugin in Figma. So to install it, click here, go to plugins and search for icons. You will get a lot of plugins of choose from. So I am going to choose icon and click run, then click here, click login, and it will ask you to create an account on icons card. So let's click here, sign up with your Google account, and your account will be created. Let's go back to Figma, click login with web, then click grant access, and you will be logged into your account. Now if we go to Figma, you can see that the icon pack has been added, and you can search and add any icon if you want. I'm gonna search for the back arrow and press enter. Select one you want and click insert, and the icon will be added to your design. You can drag this icon and place it here. I'm gonna move to here and done. Then you can also change its color to any colors you want. I'm going to change it to white. And ignorance, adjust the opacity from here. So this is how you can add an icon to your UI design. Okay, when you are designing in Figma, you may need some illustrations for your design. So there is to download and use illustrations for free. Okay, our UI design is ready. So to preview it, just click here, then click on the play option, and from here you can press the right and left arrow keys on your keyboard to see the other frames. Okay, we can now go to the final step, which is create an interactive prototype of the app. An interactive prototype serves as a test version of the design, which will allow users to navigate through different frames and experience the app's design and functionality by interacting with. So to create prototype, select the element that you want users to click to proceed to the next frame. In this design, I want the users to get the next frame when they click on these buttons. So select it and click prototype. Now if we move the mouse pointer to the button, you can see that a small circle appears. Now click on the circle, then drag and connect it to the next frame. You can see that these two frames are connected right now. Once the frames are connected here, you can see that we have got a pop-up. Now if we click on this drop down, you can see that we have get different options. These are the options that you can use to get to the next frame by default. The on-click action is selected. This means when someone clicks on this button, it will take them to the next frame. So I'm as it is. Then close this and click play. Now if we click on this button, you can see that we have got the next frame. Okay, let's go back to Figma and complete the prototype by connecting these two frames. So this time we will connect the image to the next frame. So similarly, select the image, drag the small circle and connect it to this. Like we did before, you can choose any of these options and use them, or you can just choose an animation for this frame from here. So let's click on it and select the animation style. I'm going to select moving. Now if we click the play option, then click get started and click on this image, you can see that it goes to the next frame with the animation. Okay, so this is how you can create a product app for your UI design. Also download this design to your computer. Just select the design and click export, then again click export, and your design will be downloaded. Now if you want to download all your designs, go press Ctrl to select all the frames, and here you can also select the files type you want. I am going to select JPG, click export, and you can see that it has been downloaded as a zip file. You can also share the design to your phone and see how it looks. Okay, now you know how to create UI designs for your website and apps by using templates, and also from scratch you can explore more and create designs with Figma. So that's it guys. This is how you can create UI designs using Figma. Once you have designed the app, if you want, also start building it and making it live. So if you want to learn how to create an app, the two without coding like this, you can watch this video. So I hope you found this video helpful, and please do subscribe.